Hello, here are some instructions to make an origami aircraft carrier. Interesting subject. We're going to start with a square, coloured side up. And first of all, we'll fold it in half diagonally. So we're folding the corners together. Unfold, and the opposite corner. So we're lining the corner up, hold them together, and then crease. Unfold. And now lengthwise. So the same process. Fold the edges together, line them up, and crease. Unfold, fold the edges together, line them up, and crease. So we've now got 4 creases going through the middle. And turn over and fold the edge in half. So that corner's coming down from the crease you made previously. Now on the right side, fold that point over to touch the middle. And then lift it up and flatten and squash. Fold a bird base shape. So to do that, we're going to fold the edges in. So these are the outer diagonals folding into the middle. So fold that in half. I'm going to put a crease in on the top. Open and then petal fold. Bring that up and folding the edges in. Down again. Now I'm going to open up and keep the creases made earlier and come back to a square. And turn over and take this corner and I'm going to fold between the diagonal creases. So we're actually making it what's called a stretched bird base. So fold it over and then the edges we fold in. And because the creases made earlier in the petal fold, they will fold over. Just a couple of new creases to flatten it. And then have a point on the outside of the square. And fold it behind. And turn over. Now the upper corner, I'm going to fold down to where the middle creases intersect. And take that point, fold it up again. So it's folding up to the middle, so it's aligning with the crease. So that crease is parallel with the edge above. Then take the lower corner and fold it up to the intersection of those 2 creases. The outer corner we're going to fold in. Again, it's lining up the creases. And I'm going to fold one edge over to the other. We're leaving that point just sticking out. Unfold, and then the edge can fold over again into the crease, unfold, and the edge will fold over, now we're going to fold over between those lines. So we've got it in 4. So into 8. So I'm going to put a crease in between those 2. So I'm lining the edges up, hold them together and crease. And the same on the next one. Just going to fold that over. So I'm now lining these up so they both fold in. Unfold. And I'm folding this edge over, so you've then got 6 segments underneath, and this outer corner I should fold in. So 2 of the segments I'm going to fold over, and then tuck that underneath the adjacent layer. So it actually fold under the paper, so it's folding into the pocket, not really a pocket, but the sort of paper which will lock it together. Just tucking it in there. So it's going beneath the folded edge. So it's now made a sort of tube, although we're flat here. I'm going to fold over just the edge. This is the kind of tower bit. So fold that over, reverse it inside. Might have been easier to do earlier, but we're doing it now. So fold that over, fold the edges back. Now, folding the edges in so it becomes a 2x1 shape. Should have another crease there. But there are 2 layers here, so you might make another crease so it lines up. So it's now, there are 6 segments, so it's going 2, 1, 2. Right, now, what I want to do is take one side, in this case the left side, so it's opposite to the tower. I'm going to fold that in and out again, so that's creasing here. I'll put that crease in. So now what I've got is this sort of bit where the airplanes land, the runway I guess, on top, which is slightly bigger than below. Okay, I'm going to shape that a bit. So at the back, I'm going to fold the corner behind. And in the front I'll do the same thing. But I'm actually going to reverse the front corner inside. So I'm going to fold it over first of all. And I want a slightly different shape. So I'll fold over again. And unfold. I'm going to reverse that inside. Now if I look inside, there's the corner of that reverse point, so I'm just folding it over inside. Then on each side I'm just going to reverse the points in to give it more of a hull or boat shape, if you like. So I'm pushing that in. And do the same at the back. So I'm folding that over to give it more of a hull shape. And there I have it. It's quite fun. It's an aircraft carrier.